Let's talk about Arden cheapest Trailman's 26-wheel mountain bike, 21 speed, small 16 frame, black red. Hi-Tensile steel frame and forks, 21 speed, Shimano gears, easy to use twist grip gear levers. Rear Shimano derailleur for improved shifting, powerful front rear of type brakes. Lightweight alloy rims, mountain bike tread tires for on and off-road cycling. Adjustable handlebars and saddle color, black frame, red forks. Wheel size, 26-inch frame size, small 16-inch, RRP 199.99. Great bike, no problems, used it for 4 months now, well worth buying. Great bike, bit heavy but looks nice and seems durable. The seat is uncomfortable, so I've had to buy a gel seat cover, and unfortunately the instructions provided are poor. As such, this definitely needs checking over by a bike mechanic. Brakes, tires, handlebars, etc. Otherwise, I have had this bike for just under a month now and I am happy with the purchase. Unable to drive for 6 weeks, and so this purchase helped me out. Good value and does all that is required to get around locally,